In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the taillight bulbs on this Honda Accord. In our case, because we have an LED panel for the brake lights and the running lights, we only have a directional / turn signal bulb up here. If you need any parts for your car, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. To access the taillight bulb, open up your trunk. On the side, this, by the way, will apply to both left and right, you'll see this little push clip here. To remove this, take a trim tool or screwdriver or anything that you might have that'll pry the center out. Once you pry the center out, remove the entire thing. Now you can pull the carpeting away. With the carpeting pulled away, this piece of plastic is actually covering the socket, so you'll have to go underneath it or behind it, and you'll see it. Twist counterclockwise. Once you've twisted counterclockwise, you should be able to remove this, and there is your directional bulb. Remove it from the socket. Inspect the socket. Sometimes these get overheated and melt. This more commonly happens with brake light bulbs actually, but you never know, so inspect it. This is a 7440 bulb. It is a clear bulb. So once you get a new one, stick it back in, make sure it clicks. Get the socket with the bulb back into the taillight assembly. Once you feel like it's lined up, twist it clockwise and it'll click into place, and that's it. Put the carpeting back where it belongs, and the push clip that secures it. If yours is missing or broke, replace it so that this can stay in place. And there you have it. Do the same to the other side. I hope this video is helpful. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.